A very good morning, students. This is your story period, and the storybook name is Around the World in 80 Days, written by Jules Verne. Get ready for this period. Open page number 1. Chapter is Meet Mr. Phileas Fogg the Master. Mr. Phileas Fogg lived in 1872 at number 7 Savile Row, Burlington Gardens. Where he lived? He lived at number 7 Savile Row, Burlington Gardens. He was one of the most noticeable member of the Reform Club. Children, noticeable means renowned. Okay, he is very popular or renowned member of the Reform Club. Reform Club, a club where he meets their he meets his friends and playing whist. Whist is a card game. Though he always tried to avoid attention, as he is very noticeable, it means very popular member of the Reform Club. Still, he is always trying to avoid the attraction or attention of other people. Very little was known about him except that he was a polished man of the world. Uh, Not all the members of the Reform Club knows about him. A very little person, those his friends, knows about him that he was very polished man of the world. Polished means very cultured man of the world. It means very rich. You can say that simply, you can say that the rich person of the world. There was no doubt that he was an Englishman. Englishman means the person who belongs from the England, called as Englishman. But he was never seen at the places associated with London. He was an Englishman, but never goes any places that is associated with the London, like the exchange. Then he never goes in these places, the places given exchange. What is exchange? Exchange is a place where the stocks and shares are bought and sold. Actually, this is the business center of the London. The bank, London Docks, Temple or Lincoln's Inn. Lincoln's Inn means the where the barrister or advocates practices law. It means the court. Okay, so he never goes in these places. Exchange, the bank, London Docks, Temple of Lincoln's Inn means the court, or even Queen's Bench. Queen's Bench is a division of the High Court in UK. So never goes to district court. Lincoln's Inn means district court, and the Queen's Bench High Court. He was neither a scientist nor did he belong to any institution of arts and sciences. He was a member of the Reform Club, and that was all. And his checks were paid regularly. So children, he belongs from the London. Still, he is never going to the places that is associated with the London, like Exchange, the bank, London Docks, Temple, Lincoln's Inn, never. And he was not a scientist, not a professor, not a belong from the arts and science cultures. He was simply the member of the Reform Club. Okay, and he always paid his checks regularly in the Reform Club. That's all. Was he rich? There was no doubt about it, but nobody knew how he had made his fortune. He was not lavish, not greedy either. He quietly and readily contributed money for a noble cause, but he did not talk much. as as his regular routine, everybody knows that he was very rich person, but they didn't know that how he made his money. Fortune means money. What was his business, what he done, nobody knows. He was not lavish. Lavish means spend generously. It means he was never show off, nor greedy either. He is also not greedy, and but he is always ready to contribute the money for a noble cause, means the good deed. But he did not talk much. So this was the character of the Phileas Fogg.